Normally kasi sa procedure, it is the end user that gives the specification kung ano ang kailangan ipa-procure. So, once those specifications are met, people are allowed to bid. So, that is the procedure. Once it is bidded out and once it's successful, ang nangyayari, pagka-deliver, yung end user nandun, yung back officer nandun, yung other people are there to witness that delivery is proper. Kasi kung hindi siya proper at hindi up to specs, hindi tatanggapin. So since natanggap, that means to say, yun yung specification. So as to what it is, kung hindi maganda, I don't think that's the case. Kasi sila ang humingi, yun ang na-deliver, so yun